Narinig mo na ba yung bumblebee effect? It's the idea na kahit yung simpleng bubuyog ay merong unique purpose in life. Pero minsan, hindi natin alam na napufulfill na natin yung purpose na yun. Pero bakit? Ano bang ginagawa ng bubuyog? Nagko-collect sila ng nectar sa mga bulaklak para makagawa ng honey. Pero every time na lumilipat-lipat sila ng bulaklak, they also collect pollen and in effect, cross-pollination takes place. And it fosters new life. Pero hindi alam ng bubuyog yun. Here's the thing. We're all part of something bigger than ourselves. And even though we may not always see it, every action that we take has an impact. So next time na feeling mo you're stuck in life, wala kang ibang ginagawa, wala kang purpose, at hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta, remember the bumblebee effect. Kung yung bubuyog nga may purpose, ikaw pa kaya. And you may not be even realizing it, but you're already fulfilling it.